Okay, so I'm now solving the question number 6. First of all here, no, not question number 6. Question number 4, I just got confused by the 6 highlighted there. So same thing that we have on the screen. If the base is same, then the exponent is same. That gives me, as I said, a legal right, clearly, to equate the exponents also. So what I will do, I will equate there the blue highlighted exponents. Negative 2x equals negative 2 minus 3x over here. So this is something that we have now equated because the base was same. Is it easy to solve? What do you think? What should I do to find the value of x here? Can someone tell me? Anyone? I will be adding, exactly. What will I add? 3x on both sides. Because I want to combine the terms alike and I want to find the value of x. So subtracting an x will not be helpful. I'm adding a 3x on both sides so that the x will be left on one side only. What will be on the other side? The only thing remaining. 2. Exactly, good. So that's how we got the result. Just in 2 steps, we got the answer. Easy thing, isn't it? Now here, the first 4 questions were easy. Why? Because for all those, the yellow highlighted bases were same. What we will now look at, we will look at the question number 5, 6 and onwards, all questions. What's happening now? In the question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 and onwards, the base is different. But if you will look closely, with just one hint here, which one do you want me to solve? 5, 6, 7 or 8? 6. Okay. So let's bring 6 over here in the screen. But before that, let me give you a hint. For question number 5 also, you see one of the bases is 8 and the other one is 2. My hint is these are same. Why? Because I can claim that 2 raised to power 3 is an 8. So I can convert the 8 to a 2. Agree? That's a hint. Same thing, if you can see the question number 7, 5 raised to power 2 is a 25. And how will you use this hint? I'm going to do that in the question number 6 now. In question number 8, 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. Agreed? These are the hints which will be useful for you. I'm now bringing the question number 6 on screen clearly so that we can have a full view and solve it. So, question number 6. What should be the hint here? The same hint that I gave you for the other, what happened? I need to readjust the screen, I think, again. Where did that go? Here. So, question number 6. The hint. My hint is telling me that 12 to the power 2 equals 144. How will you know about that? Use the calculator. Whichever is the bigger number should be divisible by the same number on the other side. Twice or thrice, you can check it. Okay? And I will give you some hints also. And some squares are mentioned on that anchor chart also behind you, so you can check the numbers from there also if the square or the cube is available there or not. Okay, that anchor chart should be helpful. Now, using this hint, how will I use this hint? I will put, instead of 144, I will put there a 12 raised to power 2. And then this whole thing, because the exponents will always be multiplied, we need to look at this in this view. 144 replaced by a 12 square, and then that is equal to a 5x. That is equal to a 12 raised to power 5x minus 1. Did you notice now? With this simple switch, replacement or the hint. Now we have the yellow highlighted bases same, equal, and that gives us all the legal rights. That's the term that I used. So that gives us a right to equate the exponents. If the bases are same, then definitely the exponents are same, and I can then write those exponents in an equation like that, 5x minus 1. Make sense? Now what to do? We will distribute this 2 over these two terms, which will give us a 4x plus 2 equals a 5x minus 1. Are you with me so far? Making sense? Good. What to do next? Subtract a 4x from both sides as the first step. And then you are right, you can subtract a -1. No, add a 1 also on both sides. When you will add a 1 on both sides from left hand side, this plus 1 minus 1 will be a 0, so gone. 4x minus 4x is also a 0, that's gone. What are we left with? X equals a 3. And that's your answer. That's how you will solve it. Like solving this equation is quite a simple thing because it's just the algebraic expression without any squares or anything. So far, you've been doing that for a long time. I will now stop the recording and you will have this lesson available